Hi witches! So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I just got home from work because it is Monday and I am behind on filming. So, but today I really wanted to show you how I set up my Deity altar, and the one I've been kind of working with, or like the setup that I've been working with for the majority of the month. Sorry, I'm looking over at it. I should probably just like, meh. Anyways, I just wanted to go through it with you and hopefully give you guys some ideas. Today's video is going to be a little bit shorter because Mama's busy. Also, I paper cut my finger. Why does this happen to me? I'm so tired. So I'm sorry if my finger looks weird, but just a band-aid. Let's go to the altar and I can stop rambling and being tired. Okay, first of all, fit, iconic. Shoes, pointed, tattoos out. That's how we do working in the fashion industry. Anyways, let's talk about my altar, shall we? So here is my current altar setup. I have my 4 deity candles, so I have the Morrigan, Bast, and then Cernunnos and Anubis. I have them separated into gods and goddesses. You don't have to do that. It's just what felt right to me. I have a black candle from Beltane that I've been using in other ritual workings. I have my little tiny cauldron, which makes me feel very witchy, and a little tea light in there from Beltane, from the Witch Wednesdays Beltane, like, Sabbath box. I'm gonna actually move this because it doesn't look right. There we go. So then I have my different offerings. So this is a specific leaf from an olive branch that I got when I was living in Italy on Easter, and it was like the only piece of nature that I had seen in months because I was living in Florence and it's kind of a old city, so there aren't too many plants out there, and I thought that would be a nice thing to dedicate to the nature god that I worship. I have obsidian in the key from the Anubis like Altoid deity altar, Altoid 10 deity altar, pocket altar thing. If you want to see that video, definitely check it out. So the key that I gave to him and put it in that altar, and then also that piece of obsidian. I have over here for the Morrigan a crow feather that I found and put into a jar. I hope you guys can tell what it is. As well as a tiny little resin piece of jewelry that I got from a witch friend of mine who is part of the Discord. We did a like Yuletide gift exchange / card exchange. Yeah, I got the, I put that around there because I thought it was really nice. And then for Bast, I have a little tiny jar that I got when I was in Morocco, and a little tiny cat statue that my mom gave me, but I thought she would like it more. So put a little cat thing on there. It's actually, the ear has been nibbled on by a cat, and I thought that was really funny and figured she would find it funny. So yes, of course, the plants that I dedicated to them. So of course, I had painted some terracotta pots, drew some symbols on them. Symbols, they desperately need to be watered, so I'm gonna do that. And there is those plants. I have my Witch Wednesdays like divination candle because I've been doing some tarot reading for people. And then I have this like orb that I don't really use for scrying. I honestly think it just looks pretty, and it catches the light really cool, so I just really like it. And it's, look at that, so pretty. And then I have this deer draw here that I'm going to be repurposing for a later video. So definitely check that out when it comes around. You'll know it when you see it. And then finally, these are just some dried candles, oh my goodness, dried flowers that I found on Beltane that I thought were just nice and really just tied everything together with my incense and everything like that. So that is my current altar setup. I hope you guys find some inspiration. I really like symmetrical things. And like me being a Virgo, I'm just like, symmetry. So that's how I'm doing it. That's how I'm working with stuff. So I would love to see pictures of your altar if you are comfortable sharing. A lot of witches don't like doing that. I get it. It's a private thing. But honestly, I like it. It looks like art and I think it's really pretty. So, again, I hope this inspires you. I would love to hear about your altars, your deity altars. If you have specific altars for specific deities, I would love to hear about that too. So, yeah, let me know. Tag me in pictures if you post them anywhere, and I would love to hype you up / share them if you would like. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.